The history of computers dates back to several centuries and involves the development of various devices and concepts that eventually led to the modern computers we use today. Here is a brief overview of the key milestones in computer history. Early computing devices. The concept of computing can be traced back to ancient civilizations with devices like the abacus, used for arithmetic calculations. Later, in the 19th century, mechanical devices such as Charles Babbage's analytical engine and Ada Lovelace's work on programming laid the foundation for modern computing. Vacuum tubes and early electronic computers. In the 1930s and 1940s, vacuum tubes were used as electronic components in computers. The first fully electronic computer, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC, was built in the United States in 1945. ENIAC utilized thousands of vacuum tubes and performed calculations for tasks like military calculations and scientific research. Transistors and mainframe computers. In the late 1940s and early 1950s, the invention of the transistor revolutionized computing technology. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, more reliable, and more affordable. Mainframe computers, large machines used by organizations for data processing and scientific research, became prominent during this period. Integrated circuits and microprocessors. The invention of the integrated circuit IC in the late 1950s and early 1960s further reduced the size and cost of computers. ICs combined multiple electronic components onto a single chip, enabling the creation of smaller and more powerful computers. The microprocessor, a single-chip CPU, was introduced in the early 1970s and led to the development of personal computers. Personal computers and the digital revolution. The 1970s and 1980s witnessed the rise of personal computers (PCs), with companies like Apple and IBM launching products aimed at individual users. The graphical user interface GUI, popularized by Apple's Macintosh, made computers more user-friendly and accessible to the general public. This era marked the beginning of the digital revolution, with computers becoming a ubiquitous tool in homes, offices, and schools. Internet and World Wide Web. The 1990s brought the widespread adoption of the Internet and the World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee's invention of the web and the development of web browsers facilitated global information sharing and transformed the way people access and exchange information. Mobile computing and cloud computing. The 2000s and onwards witnessed the rise of mobile computing, with smartphones and tablets becoming powerful computing devices. Additionally, cloud computing emerged, allowing users to access and store data remotely over the Internet. The history of computers is characterized by a series of innovations, advancements, and paradigm shifts that have shaped the modern technological landscape. Today, computers play an integral role in various aspects of our lives, including communication, commerce, entertainment, research, and more.